Hi everyone, it's Peyton. Today I'm in Bali and I'm learning about all kinds of art. We're staying in a home in the middle of a rice field. This is how rice grows. It's so beautiful. They use ducks to eat the bugs in the rice field. That's pretty smart. In the rice fields, there's a studio. Irene is an Indonesian artist. She's gonna teach us how to make our own paper. We're using recycled materials. It's all part of being eco-friendly. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. We blended old scrap paper with some water. That made a pulpy slurry. We put a cup of it into water and stirred. Sometimes we added paint for color. We scooped it up into a sieve.
Like this, and then go to the bottom, and then go to the side, and lift it up. And then you have to hold it still until the water all goes away.
And let the water drain through.
That's one piece of paper?
Yeah, that's one piece
That
of
looks
paper.
so cool.
You think you can do it? Sideways. Go to the side. Yep. Lift it up. Yeah. Tricky. Okay. Go. Great. And then you use this
Okay.
to squeeze
Okay,
the
got
water
it.
out. Press really hard. Yep.
Then we pressed it onto a piece of felt. Time to let it dry. Patience is key. A day later, it was done. It's a really fun process. It's not hard to make your own paper. Imagine old scrap paper and now a new creation. I've been to 40 countries and I learned something new in each one. I hope you can try making your own paper too. Thanks for joining